A few years ago, I was in an estate planning attorney's office, sitting through a stream of confusing legal jargon, and then I heard this phrase, takers of last resort. I perked up. It was so cool, like something out of Raiders of the Lost Ark. Well, turn out it's quite an important concept, so I want to share what I learned with you, then you can make sure you're covered as well. Okay, let's imagine a horrible scenario, like horrible. You die, your spouse dies, your children die. What now? What will happen to your estate? Well, every state is a little bit different, but for most states, this is the succession order. The court will try to reach your parents. If they're not alive, next in line would be your siblings and their children, which would be your nieces and nephews. And if they're not around, next would be your aunts and uncles and their children, your cousins. The judge will simply go down the succession order. Never mind that you may not like your cousin. Never mind that your 21-year-old nephew could be struggling with substance abuse and that your money could hurt him more than help him. Never mind that you've never met this long-lost heir that the judge dredges up from Alaska. In fact, if you have no family at all around, the court will claim your estate for itself. Yup, your entire estate will be the property of the courts or the state. Is that what you want? Well, this is a very easy fix. This is where takers of last resort comes in. It's also known as ultimate beneficiaries. It's the backup of backups. And by specifying the takers of last resort, you bypass probate and the courts, but more importantly, your estate will go to someone you intend to, and they would be so blessed with your gift. Who could you assign to be takers of the last resort? It could be a family member, an aunt who's close to you. For me, it's my sister who's been through a lot with me. And it could also be a charitable organization, a favorite charity, or a nonprofit with a cause that you feel passionate about. Once you have made your choice, you simply make sure that in your living trust, you have this provision. It could be something as simple as, if no descendants survive me, the residue of my estate will go to ... Make sure you pick at least 2 people, not just one person, because you want a backup in case. Hi, I'm Martha Chang, and in this channel, I decode estate planning concepts so families can avoid probate and minimize taxes. If you're new to estate planning, I recommend watching this video to get a quick overview of the concepts.